me name. You usually say you like this.
I have to take out my wallet and spend money. Oh no, I can't do that. RIP your storage.
I think got no storage.
Shit.
I can buy you.
Quite a festive season.
Yep.
I don't really experience this too much.
Ice coffee. Hey, my car is so good.
They're everywhere at this point.
Yeah, true.
Is it a recent bread?
I'm not sure. Oh. What's the price though?
Oh my god, I had a lot of those last time.
Where? Oh my god.
It's a kimono. It's a kimono.
Oh, that's a nice shot. Look at that. Sliding down. No.
You just like that.
Oh, the park is a kilometer down this way.
Oh my god, those kids.
Nothing.
I guess you can say that.
I guess.
Well, it's definitely better than mine. Okay, let's catch them up. We're a newscaster. Ready, set up and go. It's crazy. Yes. Oh, I don't see Taro though. No, they're just here. Yeah, but where's Taro? Oh no. Taro's not there. Oh no, we lost her. Oh no.
Bernard is there. Bernard is looking at them. Looks like it.
No, there you see Megan is there.
Yeah, where the hell is
Oh, they're in front. Okay.
Oh, nice.
首を引っ掛けたりと大変危険です。美しい七夕花火を皆様に楽しんでもらうため、ご協力をお願いします。
It's such a weird POV. Holy shit. Holy shit. Man, look at the crowd.
We need to see his camera. I see him.
You see what I'm looking at?
Oh my god,
God camera. What are you looking at? Wow! Hey, Chikawa! Chikawa!
Wait, Chikawa.
What? Balloon. Where? I don't know. I'd rather not. Really?
I buy for
Physics school.
Yeah, man, they make everything and they teach people too. Them.
Yeah, but they should be teaching people though. Since they make music.
I guess.
どうして？
Choco banana. Choco banana. Oh, it's called banana choco. Are you getting anything?
Just that they wander off like kids.
Man,
This babysitting job is really tiring, I tell you.
Wander off.
I wonder which one, huh?
Hey, go takoyaki first.
Let's go.
No, then he said why nobody
it's not nice ah.
I'm thinking
Come. Let's do a review. Food review, Edison.
Itadakimasu.
How is it, Edison?
No, but
Is it worth? Is it worth your
I
price?
think you put on.
You know what to share? I got total. Is it worth your price?
don't take.
Haven't taken one.
You don't put it like that lah.
Open.
How much do you pay for it actually?
I won't finish it.
Edison, how much you pay for it?
700.
700. Is it worth the
Mine is a
price?
favorite. I think it's okay.
It's okay? Will you buy again?
Yeah, sure.
I cannot eat it.
This is your favorite.
How much is that?
600.
How much? 600?
Oh shit, it's just you.
Is it good? Not bad. You think it's good?
I'm not eating it.
Okay, sure.
You're not eating it.
I got one pair of chopsticks here, man.
Wait, hold on.
Good.
I'm trying to end the video.
Animal cruelty, this too.
Yes, animal cruelty. Hey, you want to buy wings?
Oh,
You want to buy wings?
We all be enjoying.
我23岁而已。
我上次睡个买 balloon 没有买。
Then we go post.
Actually, to be honest, I don't know why I say that.
Balloon买1米。
Let's go. Move. I also want to instruct PCG time. Like a sign that everything.
Suppose so.
Someone wants a mask.
Weird, like then around like 10 of them. They all ate curry. And then after that, the first boy drink again. He's like, oh, it tastes better now. Yeah. But then they're like, boy is very nice.
How much